Hello everyone. On today's menu, I have another delicious recipe with flavors that you will absolutely love. The extraordinary sweet, spicy and sticky chicken. Welcome to Nkiru. I am Nkiru. Without wasting time, join me in the kitchen. Let's make it happen. First, let me introduce the ingredients. Boneless, skinless chicken breast, honey, cornstarch, olive oil, low sodium soy sauce, liquid aminos, ginger and garlic, chicken bouillon powder, pepper flakes, and freshly ground black pepper. Season the chicken with 1 teaspoon chicken bouillon and half teaspoon black pepper. Cook it very well with cornstarch. Heat up oil. I am using extra virgin olive oil. Use oil of your choice. Add the chicken. Cook it until brown and cooked through. You may have to cook it in batches to avoid overcrowding the skillet or your saucepan. I cooked mine in 2 batches. Ensure to turn the chicken so that both sides will be fully cooked and browned. May take 2 to 5 minutes depending on the size of the chunks. While the chicken is cooking, prepare the sauce. 3 tablespoons low sodium soy sauce. 5 cloves of garlic and a thumb of ginger minced. 2 teaspoons liquid aminos. 1 teaspoon chili flakes or to your taste. 2 tablespoons honey. And then a teaspoon of cornstarch. Whisk everything together. Go ahead and remove the chicken from the saucepan. Now go ahead and pour the sauce in the saucepan. Reduce the heat and continue stirring it until it thickens to your taste. Now go ahead and re-add the chicken. Mix together to combine very well. You want to ensure that the chicken is fully coated. Meanwhile, continue to simmer until the sauce becomes sticky. Then the super deliciousness is ready. I'll just eat 2 or 3 pieces on your behalf. Thanks for watching. You may serve this with cooked, cold white rice. I served mine with rice and black beans and some vegetables. Try this recipe. I guarantee you will love it. And if you tried it, let me know how yours turned out. I appreciate your support. Bye for now and remain blessed.